investigation into link between classroom environment and EFL students' teacher academic achievement. Abstract. The aim of the present study was to investigate the relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education study program student of State Islamic University of Raden Patah, Palembang. By conducting correlational research, 366 students of English major of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample by using confidence sampling. The data of study were collected by administering a questionnaire of college and university classroom environment inventory. To assess classroom student academic achievement score, person product movement and registration analysis higher than variable instruction. In this globalization era, the student in every intuition and try not be academically successful. The quality of student experiences during college is shown one's academic achievement. Academic achievement is important for students to prepare their future career to allow students to enter competitive fields. It is also play important roles for predicting the base quality grades will who become great leader and manpower for country.